been so long, I don't even know how to start this. I look like a mess, I know. It's a Saturday and I have decided to give you guys like a weekend Saturday vlog. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I wanted to do like a maintenance vlog, but I noticed I won't get a lot of footage for you guys. So I just want to do like a full weekend vlog. For now, all I have to do is to brush my teeth, take a shower, get breakfast, clean some parts of the house, and yeah, go get my hair done, go get my nails done, my toenails, trim my eyebrows. I don't do my eyelashes because I haven't gotten there yet, but I know I'll get there very soon. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I had a wedding, but I woke up late, so I just couldn't go. Let's just see how today goes. Welcome, my name is Ethel. If you're new here, do well to subscribe to join the family. I'm just gonna go brush my teeth and try to take a shower, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back from taking a shower. I'm just gonna get ready before I do anything. I'm not gonna use any toner. I've actually stopped using toner because I don't have money to buy toner, and my serums too are almost finished, so I don't use them on like weekends like this. So I'm just going to use my moisturizer, which you guys probably know because it's the same moisturizer I've been using ever since I started doing like a really good skincare routine. And my face is quite okay. And I'm also going to use a sunscreen because even though the sun is not like really out, I still need to protect my skin. And this is the same sunscreen that I use. They said you are supposed to take like 2 fingers, but I only take just one because this sunscreen leaves like a super white cast, and I don't have time to be blending it so it gets clear. So I'm just gonna use a smaller amount instead of the amount that I'm supposed to use. And this is currently the body cream that I use. I don't know why I got this, but I got it and I've been using it, and I haven't seen any difference in my skin, but I just use it and I like it. So I'm gonna do this off camera. I ended up putting on my dress for the day. I don't know if you can see, but it's a short dress. I need to finish unbraiding my hair. I started unbraiding my hair last night and I didn't finish because I decided to braid the back like this. So unbraiding it is very tiring. Anyways, I have my tea. I know it's cold and I'm drinking something with ice, and I kind of have a cold, but it seems better today, so I'm still gonna drink it. I need to go make breakfast. Kind of like already having breakfast, but I need to go get something heavier to eat before having lunch because it's almost 11, so I'm not going to eat anything heavy for breakfast, and then I will just go get lunch later before I go do my hair, my nails, and all of the things that I need to do. Anyways, I'm going to do this off camera and then I'll get back to you. One thing I've noticed about my hair is that it breaks a lot whenever I apply gel to it. And I think the best way to like unravel my hair with gel on is to wet the hair. And my hair also gets super brittle when wet. So all that I have to do is just get rid of all of my hair gels. Even with the hair wax, I don't know. My hair is too sensitive. Look at all of the hair that I've lost just by combing through my hair. I braided this hair just 2 weeks ago, and look at all the hair that came out. Now I'm ready to clean because I have to. I can't say I won't. I'll see you. These are my eggs. This is how I make my eggs. See this? Yeah. I like the yolk runny. So this is what I'm going to have for breakfast, and then I'll just add my tea to it. It's currently 3:28 p.m. I had to stop recording to get things done quickly. So now I'm just gonna go do my hair. I need to get some things first. I have my relaxer. I'm taking 2 just in case, because I get lots of growth. Then my conditioner, my hair moisturizer, and my nail polish. I'm gonna do this for my nails, my fingers, And then this for my toenails. It's almost finished. So if we don't get enough, I'll probably do this too for my toes. And this is just my nail, I don't know. It's like a clear polish. So, and my cuticle trimmer. My hair oil is almost finished, but you can get something to use. So I have that. And of course my wallet. I'm gonna need like a bottle of water and an umbrella, because it looks like it's about to rain. My phone and you guys. Not done with my hair. I didn't like my hair when I went to do it at the salon. My hair is normally nice, like it looks nice when I get it done, but it seems it's nicer when I do it myself at home, because I don't know, I don't like it. So I prepared this extension to put on my head, either a ponytail or a bun. I'm not so sure, but I'm just going to do it. I'm still contemplating on whether to do a middle part or a side part or no parts. I look good with no parts, but I want to do a middle part. If I don't look good with the middle part, I'm going to do a no part tomorrow. And I don't like my middle part to go very far. So with how I measure my line, I just use my index finger. Yeah, then I place this part in front. Yeah, I measure just like this. So that's how I measure my part line. I don't do it all the way to the back. I don't know. It's showing. This is how the back looks like. That's how the front looks like. I'm going to just put my edges down with a wax stick, because glue is obviously not the best choice for me. So this is the wax stick that I use. All I'm going to do is to just going to spray it with some olive oil. This is my final hairstyle for church tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to end the video here or not. Please do also subscribe. This is kind of like my second vlog something, so I know it's not perfect, but at least I've done something. So please show appreciation by liking this video, comment in the comment section, tell me your thoughts if there's anything that you think I should have done to make this video better, or if there's something that you think I shouldn't have done to make this video better. And yeah, let's continue to have fun, live life to the fullest. I don't know why I'm saying these things. Okay, let me say this. I am starting a podcast channel. I don't want to talk about it, but yeah, I'm starting a podcast channel. So stay tuned and I will give you guys the details, the info, everything needed for the podcast in a different video whenever I'm ready. But for now, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in another video. See you soon.